Hi students, once again I welcome you in my channel. I hope you like my videos. If you like my videos, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon for latest notifications. Let's start our next question number 21 of class 11, exercise 3.3. It is cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x over sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x, which we want to prove it is equal to cot 3x. We want to prove it is equal to cot of 3x. So let's start our calculation work. As we usually mark, we will start from the left side of equality. It is cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x over sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x. It is very first question in which you have more than 2 t ratios, and we need some kind of calculation which will make our work more easy. See, this is 3x, an odd value. Here you have 4x and 2x, even values. So if we combine these two, just imagine if we add 4x and 2x, there sum will be 6x, and their 6x sum when we divide by 2, that will give us 3x. So we will combine these two. Similar concept we have to use for denominator. So I am going to combine these two. I am going to write cos 4x plus cos 2x first, and I will mark cos 3x in the end. Similarly for the denominator, combine sin 4x with sin 2x separately in a bracket and sin 3x in the end. Now you have to think about formulas which are applicable in these. You know it is like cos C plus cos D. If we have cos C plus cos D, then formula for cos C plus cos D is 2. Cos C plus D over 2 into cos C minus D over 2. Similarly, if we see the denominator, it is like sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D. It can be written as 2 sin C plus D over 2 cos C minus D over 2. So remember these formulas and you will be able to handle this kind of questions in easy way. So I am going to use formula here on first calculation about cos. So it is 2 cos 4x plus 2x upon 2, then cos 4x minus 2x upon 2. So they are the calculations about formula, and in the end you have plus 4 cos 3x over denominator. It is 2 sin sum of angles over 2. Similarly cos difference of angles over 2. So it is calculation by formula for first two, and in the end you have sin 3x as it is. Now we will write their final answers here. 2 cos 6x over 2 3x. So it is cos 3x into cos 4x minus 2x, 2x over 2 will give cos x only, plus cos 3x upon 2 sin. In the same way you will have sin 3x and cos x plus sin 3x. See here, you have cos 3x and here you have sin 3x. See here, cos 3x, cos 3x. From numerator it is common. And what is left inside? And in the denominator we will take sin 3x common. So numerator will have cos 3x common. You have 2 cos x plus 1 left. Denominator will have sin 3x common. 2 cos x plus 1 left. So they are exactly the same. We have cos 3x over sin 3x, which can be written as cot 3x, same as the right side of equality. This was question number 21. I hope it is quite clear to you. We have only application of these two formulas. By the use of formulas, we got our answer. See what is given next in question number 22. Students, next question number 22 is cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x equal to 1. So we want to prove this long expression is having answer equal to 1. So it is not that much easy, or we can't use directly formulas for these all. You have to remember one thing here. There is a formula about cot, and that formula about cot you have to remember here. Cot, if we write cot x plus y, try to remember formula for cot x plus y, that is cot x cot y minus 1 over cot x plus cot y. You have to follow this formula. See how we can use this formula. I will start from the biggest value of the angle, which is 3x. I am writing here cot 3x, which can be written as cot of 2x plus x. So I am using them in place of these. See, in place of x you have this 2x, in place of y you have x. If we follow the order given in formula, so I am writing formula separately. If we follow the order of formula, first of all we have to write cot of first angle into cot of second angle. So I am writing this as, keep the left side as it is. Here you have to take care of this. So we have cot of first angle, that is 2x, into cot of second angle, that is x, minus 1 over cot of first angle plus cot of second angle, which is x. Simply you have to cross multiply and you will reach your answer. So I am going to cross multiply. It is cot 3x into, shift these two in the left side, cot 2x plus cot x equal to cot 2x cot x minus 1. See, their product is cot 3x. Multiply with both. Cot 3x into cot 2x plus cot 3x into cot x. And here cot 2x cot x minus 1. See, what do you need? That is, you need 1. So I want 1 here, and we need to write this in this proper way. Means you need 1 in the right side and hold this kind of expression in the left side. But here situation is 1 is negative. So I will shift 1 to the left side. They both, see, they both are negative. So we will shift them in the right side. So this can be written as 1 in the left side with positive sign. Right side this value as it is, cot 2x cot x. And they both will be negative when you shift in the right side. Minus cot 3x cot 2x minus cot 3x and cot x. Now rewrite this. This whole we will mark in the left side in this order. See, you have cot x cot 2x, their product, cot x cot 2x. We will mark or cot x into cot 2x. Then minus cot 2x cot 3x. Where is cot 2x cot 3x? It is given here. So minus cot 2x cot 3x. Then minus cot 3x cot x, cot 3x cot x. And in the right side you have this value, which is 1. So we will say hence proved. So we have our answer. With little knowledge of this formula, you are able to solve this whole calculation. This was question number 22, which was an important question for examination. See next what is given in question number 23. Students, our next question number 23 is an important question again for examination, in which you have tan 4x equal to this right side 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x over 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan raised to power 4x. Let's start its solution. It is not in that way as given in question number 22. Here you have to start from the left hand side of equality, which is tan 4x. And I can write this tan 4x as tan 2 times 2x and treat this as tan 2 times theta. Means what is formula for tan 2 theta? It is 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan square theta, and theta is 2x. So we have to follow this formula. Here you have double of this angle 2x. So we follow formula. You have to write 2 tan of this theta. Theta means 2x over 1 minus tan square theta. Theta means 2x. So we have this kind of situation. Further, you have tan 2x here, tan 2x. We have to follow formula one more time, and it will be 2 tan. 2x can be written as 2 tan x. It is like tan 2 theta. 2 tan theta means 2 tan x over 1 minus tan square x over the same we have to follow here. It is square of tan 2x. So it can be written as 2 tan x over 1 minus tan square x raised to power 2. Now only calculation work left. and after calculation you will reach your answer given. 2 into 2 4 tan x over 1 minus tan square x over. Here we have 1 minus, right, separate squares. It is 2 tan x raised to power 2 over 1 minus tan square x raised to power 2. So we have this kind of situation. We will find LCM. LCM of denominator. Keep the numerator as it is, whatever is there. 1 minus tan square x. What about denominator? Denominator is having LCM 1 minus tan square x. So I am writing here 1 minus tan. Let me write there, okay? It will create confusions. Otherwise, I am going to use this space for calculation of our question number 23. So we can mark it as 4 tan x over 1 minus tan square x over calculation of this denominator, this one. We will take its LCM. LCM is 1 minus tan square x raised to power 2. And in the numerator we will multiply it with 1. 1 into this will give 1 minus tan square x raised to power 2 minus 2 square 4 tan square x. So we have this situation, and here one time it is cancelled, only one time left. Now what will be 4 tan x into reciprocal of this. Reciprocal will be, this will go in the numerator and denominator will be calculation of this a minus b whole square formula. What is a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. It is like this. And calculation next after this, okay, is 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x. So you have same type of value. Now calculation of denominator. See what is coming answer. Okay, as answer 1 square 1 tan raised to power 4x, and here minus 2 tan square x. And lastly, is there any other thing left which is your calculations part? You have one, this something wrongly marked here. What is wrongly marked? Let me see. It was double of this angle. This was left to right, okay, this one. It is minus 4 tan square x. This was left, so it is minus 4 tan square x. Students, take care of these things. Small mistake totally change the answer. 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x over. We will rearrange these according to our requirement. 1 given, 1 positive, minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 tan square x, lastly plus tan raised to power 4x, which is same as the right side of equality. So this was question number 23. See what is given in next question number 24. Students, here is our question number 24. Cos 4x equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. Let's start from the left side of equality again. It is left hand side is cos 4x, and cos 4x can be written as 2 times of 2x. It is like cos 2 theta. Try to remember formula for cos 2 theta. It is 2 cos square theta minus 1, and theta here is, okay, 2x. So you will apply formula. It is 2 according to formula 2 cos square theta. Theta means 2x minus 1. But it is not same as a required answer. Now how we solve it further to get a required answer? For that we will proceed now. I am writing here 2 cos 2x raised to power 2 outside minus 1, and it is cos 2x. Cos 2x, how we mark according to our requirement? By using the same formula. See here, it is like cos 2 theta. Again write the formula. What is formula? It is 2 cos square theta means 2 cos square x minus 1 raised to power 2 minus 1. Further, use formula a minus b whole square, that is a square means 2 cos square theta or x raised to power 2, then plus b square means 1 square minus 2a, a means 2 cos square x, b 1, and lastly you have outside minus 1. Now we will solve it. I am writing directly 2 as it is, okay. 2 square 4 cos raised to power 4x plus 1 minus 4 cos square x minus 1. or which can be written as 2 into 4 8 cos raised to power 4x plus 2 minus 8 cos raised to power 2x minus 1. But here we don't have a required answer as we need, but see, we will try to solve it further. 2 minus 1 will give 1, and from these two we can easily mark, see what is common, we can easily mark 8 common as well as cos square common, cos square x. What is left? From this only cos square x left, and this whole is common, minus 1 left. So you have cos square x minus 1. Further, if we try to solve it, it will be 1 as it is plus 8 cos square x. If I take minus out, if I change this sign here, I have to shuffle these two values. I will write 1 minus cos square x, and 1 minus cos square x can be written as, yes, you know about it, it is sin square x, which is same as a required answer. So we will rearrange these, 1 minus 8 sin square x first into cos square x, which is same as the right side of equality. So this was our question number 24. See what is given in next question number 25 after this. At last we are on question number 25, which is the last question of exercise 3.3. It is given like this: cos 6x equal to 32 cos raised to power 6x minus 48 into cos raised to power 4x plus 18 into cos square x minus 1. Let's start its calculation in the same way. Start from the left side of equality, which is cos of 6x. Students, here you have to remember one thing, how we break this 6x as cos of 3 times 2x, which is same as cos 3 theta. What is cos 3 theta's formula? That is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So we have this situation where theta is 2x. Remember this calculation. You will be able to continue the calculation in this case. So we have 4 cos cube theta means 2x. Further, minus 3 cos theta, theta means cos 2x. So we have this kind of situation now. Further, we can continue our calculation. As you know, they all the values, they are in x only. Here we have 2x, 2x. So we have to proceed further by writing some other value in place of these. So I am writing cos 2x raised to power 3 outside. Here 3 cos 2x. Now think about formula for cos 2x. It is 2 cos square x minus 1. Remember it. So I will replace it by its value. That is 4 into 2 cos square x minus 1 raised to power 3 minus 3 times, in place of this also, 2 cos square x minus 1. Bracket close. Now open this by using the formula of cube, a minus b cube. What is formula for a minus b cube? A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So you have to use this formula here. I am writing it. Its cube will give 8, or simply write one time to remember, 2 cos square x raised to power 3 minus 1 cube minus 3a square means 2 cos square x raised to power 2 into b, then plus 3a, a means 2 cos square x into b square. This is calculation for cube. Now lastly you have minus 3 into 2, just multiply, minus 3 into 2 minus 6 cos square x minus minus plus 3 into 1, 3 here. So we have this. Now we will calculate these values. What is 2 cube? 8, 2 into 3 6 cos raised to power 6x minus 1 cube 1 cos square x raised to power 2 cos raised to power 4x, 3 into 2 6 minus 6 cos raised to power 4x. So it is cos raised to power 4x plus 3 into 2 6 cos square x, and lastly you have these two, minus 6 cos square x plus 3. Now multiply 4 inside and we will try to reach our required answer. So I am going to multiply these. So under this solution I am separating the statement of the question given. So you have 4 into 8, 32 cos raised to power 6x minus 4 into 1 4, then minus 24 cos raised to power 4x plus 24 cos raised to power 2x minus cos square x with 6 cos square x plus 3. So we have this kind of situation with us. Let me check if it is correct or if there is anything wrong. Okay, see, here it is wrongly marked. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. So I wrongly marked here 6. It is actually 12 cos raised to power 4x. So mark carefully. 12 into 4, 48. I used, okay, this knowledge of right side. It is 48. So I saw it is wrongly marked. That's why, okay, I changed it. So here it was 2 square 4 into 3, 12, not 6. So we have this situation. Now we have to mark it in proper way. See, first term is same as required. Then power 4 is of only one term, which is clearly visible, this term. Now with 2 power. With 2 power we have two calculations. 24 minus 16, 18 cos raised to power 2x. Then 4 with minus sign plus 3 will give minus 1, which is same as the right side of equality of question number 25. So I hope you enjoyed this given explanation in easy way. I hope you are understanding these concepts explained, and I hope you will subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest notifications. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye bye.